Today's featured car of the day is a 1975 Bricklin SV-1. And I'll read from the owner's comments at the auction. And it stated, original owner 1975 through 2019, owned by me 6 months, 2,000 miles on rebuilt engine, 351 Ford Windsor V8, 2,000 miles on rebuilt transmission, racing head service heads, cam lifters, 4 barrels Holley 500 CFM carburetor, MSD distributor, aluminum radiator with electric fans, True Track serpentine belt system, remote oil filter, stainless steel exhaust system, pneumatic headlight actuators, rack and pinion steering, CD player, vintage air AC, new Optima battery, new BF Goodrich TA radials, and then it had 63,125 miles. And it sold for $21,200 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And this one was a nice car. It had a good look to it. It was a good color. And these guys are pretty rare. I'm not sure exactly how many they made of them, but I'm pretty sure they were built in Canada. And they had the Ford 351 Windsor engine in them. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.